Hi, this is called CopterPack. It's an electric backpack helicopter with a self-leveling autopilot. The lightweight airframe is constructed from a carbon fiber honeycomb. The goal was to develop a private jet that would set the standard in terms of safety and performance. The unique characteristic of CopterPack is that your body becomes part of the aircraft. CopterPack is currently in the development phase. Recent testing of a second-generation prototype allowed the evaluation of flight dynamics and aircraft stability.